Hey, what do you guys want to make today?
Candy.
Candy? What kind of candy?
Candy floss.
Sponge candy.
Oh.
What do we need to add? What do you have, Layla? Sugar.
And candy. Ah!
And what does Spencer have?
Caro?
Dark Cairo syrup.
Ooh.
So a cup of sugar and a cup of this stuff.
It's going around.
It
What's
is.
your favorite dress? Let's see. What's your favorite room? Stinky. My dog Vader has one dog. Hey, it looks different. Stop moving it. Stop moving it and we'll get into a pile probably. Stop moving.
Is that all of it?
A bubble.
Okay, now we're gonna bring it to a boil to the hard crack stage, which is about 300 degrees.
Yeah.
Then we'll come back and we'll add baking soda to it. And it'll go, and we'll pour it in a pan. Then we'll let it cool. But we'll get to that point.
I'm moving.
And Spencer's moving it. And we'll see you in just a few minutes. Okay, so our stuff is
Done.
about ready. Don't put that in anything yet. What we're going to have to do is bring it in. We'll stir it up. And then when it's all good and stirred, we'll put it in there and don't touch it.
Never touch it.
Don't put it in yet. Don't put it in yet. Look. You guys see what it looks like? Don't put it in yet.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Okay, dump it in. And hey, look. Watch it. Watch it as it stirs up. Now
Then
we're
I-
gonna pour it in here.
Yeah. Right now it's your turn. That's my head. You got
Okay, so we'll let this cool. And then we'll be back.
and try it.
Okay, so our sponge candy's hardened, right? Then what did we do?
Cut it.
Yep, we broke it up in these pieces. Now what do we need to do?
Get in the chocolate.
Okay, you can just use your hand to put it in the chocolate. Just drop one in the chocolate. Okay, and then, yep, let go. Now use your fork to turn it over.
I did.
No, just let go. Don't put your fingers in the chocolate. Now, here, watch. And we'll just turn it over like this. Then what do we need to do, Layla? With our fork. Yep. Do you need some help? Scoop. Here, let's do one at a time. Here, watch. Like this. We'll just put the fork under there. And we'll kind of drip the chocolate off like that. And then, here.
Step off.
Yep, scoop it off. Oops. Let's try to keep it on the wax paper. Good job. Now can you do it? Hey, you could do one too, Spencer. And just turn it over.
It's hard.
It's okay. We could try again. We have more pieces to try it again. Now shake it a little bit so the chocolate comes off. And then here, wait. Okay. Is that all the chocolate off? Oh. So what are you doing, buddy? Okay. Let me help you. Okay, Spencer. Your turn. Put one in. Nope. Don't poke it with the fork. It'll just get all crumbly.
You have to use your hand.
Here. Can you just drop one in there? Just drop it in. Here. Then liquid.
You have the flipper?
I'll do the flipper. Is that good? Oh, don't lick your forks off. Okay. And we'll do this. Here, did you lick your fork, Layla?
No.
Okay, here, give
Just
me
a little bit.
just a little bit. Well then, here, how about we'll do the rest of these off camera, but you see how we do them? Or, okay, so did we dip all our candy?
Yes.
Are you ready to try it?
I can try this.
You want to try that one? Which one are you going to try, Layla?
I can try.
So what do you think?
Kind of. I like you.